They're showing you that they're making this amount, but they're not showing their real true analytics. They're not going into their YouTube Creator Studio and showing you how much they're really making and showing you the truth. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sin. So a lot of you guys have been DMing me and also putting down in the comments, how are you doing affiliate marketing? Tell. So in today's video, I'm going to give you an example of what affiliate marketing is. The affiliate marketing that I do is with YouTube shopping. It's literally on the YouTube platform. I know a lot of people do Amazon affiliate and all different types, but mine is strictly YouTube shopping. So let's go into what that is.
The YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program lets you easily tag products from a variety of brands and retailers, giving viewers a seamless shopping experience and letting you earn commission when they purchase products from your content. When you tag products in your videos, shorts, or live streams, a shopping button will show on your content. Viewers can browse the products that you featured without leaving the watch page. When viewers click on a product, they'll be redirected to the merchant's site. If a purchase is made from your link, you'll earn commission on the viewer's entire purchase. You can tag products during the upload flow by going to Tag Products. From here, you can click the drop-down to see stores available from different sellers, or you can search for the brand or product that you want to tag. Next to each product, you'll see the total product price and the commission rate that you would receive for that product, which is always a percentage of the total price. This commission rate listed is 100% of what you will earn. Commission rates will vary by product and merchant.
So that is exactly what I do, literally on the platform. After I make my video or my YouTube short, I just click on tag, I tag the products, people click on the tags, and then I get paid a commission. Commission varies. Most of my commissions are 15% and up. So last month wasn't really, well, you know, I'm not gonna say it wasn't a good month because I end up making over $200. That's off commission. That's off making 15% and more off each sale. So I promoted a product with Fenty, with Rihanna's Fenty, a lipstick. I think it was a lipstick or a lip gloss. And I made over $200. And that was actually good considering only 5 people ordered. So I made over $200 from 5 orders. But the lipstick was like $10 or $15. But as you heard in the video, you get 100% of their total. So you don't just get what they clicked on, you get all of it. So the total amount that they have spent, you get a commission from that. So you guys know I love being very transparent with you guys. I know it's only $200 and something, but that's my reality. I made $200 and something just from tagging products that I use or have used in my shorts and in my videos. It's just that simple. So the money that I make from affiliate marketing also adds up with my YouTube ad revenue money that I make. And if I receive super chats or super things, it's all added together. And if someone decides to buy one of my t-shirts or something like that, I get paid for that as well. It's so many ways to get paid on YouTube, guys. There are so many ways that you can make money on YouTube. You just have to learn the program, learn the system, learn how these different things work. Get yourself involved. You need to have more than one income stream when you're on social media. YouTube has plenty right now, plenty. Now, ad revenue is great. That's great money as well, but just think if you had super chats, super things, memberships, affiliate marketing, all that mixed together, your check will be lovely every month, but you have to work hard to keep it up. If this is what you want to do and you want to become a full-time content creator, you have to treat it like a job. No days off, no days off. Now I know it's people say work smarter, not harder. That's true. But in the beginning, when you're a small YouTuber and when you're a small content creator, you have to work hard. It's just no way around it. It's no way around it. And I've watched several videos when people say that they blew up overnight. That may be true in some cases, but this is what I do. I do YouTube, I do Facebook. So when people post images of how much they've made, I'm looking like, that's not how it looks. But if you don't know, you don't know. It's a creator right now, and I won't speak on them, who's showing fake proof. But you wouldn't know that because you don't know how it works. So they're showing you that they're making this amount, but they're not showing their real true analytics. They're not going into their YouTube Creator Studio and showing you how much they're really making and showing you the truth. They're showing you something that they made up. None of my business, but that's what's going on. And let me say this, it's not who you probably think I'm talking about. It's a fairly new creator. But hey, whatever floats your boat, whatever works. I'm not knocking anyone for their hustle, but it just makes it a little bit harder when creators are being transparent. Like, you have to give people what's real. You can't give them false hope. Like, those numbers are ridiculous, and I know that's not what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I keep it real with y'all. Transparency. $200, it may not be nothing to anybody, but that's a lot just off commission from 5 orders. But I'm being real with you. I'm really going to my analytics and showing you from my YouTube Creator Studio. I'm not just showing you numbers that I made up on PixArt, because that's not how our Creator Studio looks in real time. So I don't know, but I just like to keep it real with y'all and be transparent, because if you're transparent with a person, you'll go further, because you're being truthful. You don't have to go back and say, well, hold on, Sin, didn't you say that? No, if you're being transparent, there's no lies. So let's get back on topic. As of right now, I think only 3 orders have been made. Right now, I'm currently at $85. I'm not sure why it's showing my YouTube short from the Nivea lotion, because that's not where the money is coming from. The money is coming from that lipstick still. People are loving that Rihanna lipstick. So I appreciate you guys for buying the product, clicking on the product, buying the product. I'm just happy. So when you get a chance, go check and see if you have YouTube shopping on your platform. If you have it, go ahead and get it started. You can find things that you have at home and promote it and tag it. You'll get paid for that. So just show the product and you'll get paid for it. But there are requirements. You have to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program in order to be able to tag the products in your videos. So I don't want to keep you guys too long. I just want to get straight to the point. So this is how I make money from YouTube shopping. It's very, very easy. Like I say, you have to be monetized. All you have to do is go check and see if you qualify, and then go promote products and get paid on top of your ad revenue. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.